When I first started my journey of trying to become a full-time content creator, I'd listen to every educational podcast and YouTube video out there, and everyone would say, start an email list. And to be honest, I ignored them for a very long time because I thought, one, email lists are dead, and two, how could an email list apply to me, a content creator? But after not being able to escape that tip, hearing it in my ear over and over, I finally gave in and started an email list. I should have listened to them sooner, because if email lists are dead, then how come I made $5,000 in 8 days from having an email list just last month? Allow me to show you how I did it. In this video, you're going to learn what email lists and email funnels are. I'll show you the exact system that I have in place that allowed me to earn $5,000 in 8 days. Then at the end, you'll learn the 4 steps so you too can set up an email list or funnel to make sales through email marketing. As always, timestamps are below. Use them if you need them. Let's jump in. Before I jump to the computer and show you what I did to make money through email marketing, you first need to know a few terms, because one, these terms, this is what I have set up. It's what I'm going to show you when we get to that part of the video. And two, this way you're able to follow along during that section without being confused. Like, oh, what's that? Oh, wait, what does she mean by, We just want to make sure you can follow along. So what is an email list? An email list is a collection of email addresses that you've gathered from people who have opted in to receive email communications from you. As a creator who is constantly at the whim of whatever algorithm you're posting to, having an email list is your superpower, because whether an app gets banned or your account gets hacked or engagement goes down, you can always count 100% on your email list getting your emails. No algorithm you need to bypass. How do you get somebody to join your email list? There are a lot of ways to get people onto your list. A common one you've probably seen a lot of businesses do is offering a discount code when you go to their website. For example, Arizona Tea. If you go to their website and you're trying to shop, buy some tea, you're scrolling on their page, boom, you get a pop-up for a little discount code. In order to receive that discount, you have to give them your email address. That is one method. But the method we're going to be talking about today is by offering a freebie or low ticket offer to your audience that is of high value to them. A freebie is a free resource like an ebook, guide, template, checklist, webinar, mini course, etc. that you offer to your audience for free in exchange for their email address. For example, a few freebies that I offer are a social media content calendar, a YouTube starter workbook, email pitch template so that creators who are looking to land brand collaborations can email brands, and a few 60-minute masterclasses. While all of these are free, they're still considered high value to my audience. If you don't want to go the free route, you could offer a low ticket product, which is typically priced under $100. I also have a few low ticket digital products, but my most popular one is a $1 digital product. It's my 12-month content creator plan. Again, for the price, my audience is like,
this is a no-brainer. I'm in. Take all of my email addresses.
So those are some ways to get people to sign up for your email list. Now let's talk about email funnels. An email funnel is a series of emails that guides subscribers from potential customers to paying customers. For example, if somebody signs up for and watches one of my free masterclasses, they are first added to my email list, and then they are put into an email funnel where I have set up automated emails to send to them. These automated emails are designed to upsell the new subscriber to purchase a higher ticket digital product. And that is exactly what I have set up that allowed me to earn $5,000 in 8 days. So let us jump over to the computer so I could show you the exact email funnel that I used. So this is the freebie that eventually upsells through the email marketing that people opted into, where eventually I did make $5,000 in 8 days. This is my how to grow 100,000 followers on any platform masterclass, 60 minutes, jam-packed, really good. It's for more advanced content creators as opposed to beginners. So people opt into this. During this webinar, at the very end, I do pitch them and I do tell them about my course bundle, the BSP model. So they're already warmed up to the idea that I have a course bundle because it's mentioned during this masterclass, right? It's not just random later in the emails. I mention it, they're warmed up, they're familiar with it. I don't necessarily tell them you have to join, but it is an option. I say you can join if it feels right for you. If not, take what you learned from the class, apply it, you'll still see great results. The email marketing system that my team and I use, where I'm gonna show you our email funnel, is Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. We've been using this and we've been set up here for a few years, so it's just made sense to keep our email list here. Would I recommend this to you? you? Not necessarily, especially beginner creators. You're already paying for so many different tools, resources with ConvertKit. Unfortunately, you do pay per email subscribers. So the more email list subscribers you get, the more you have to pay per month. If you have 1,000 subscribers or less, you're paying $29 a month. But as that number goes up, you start paying more. So it's not necessarily one I would recommend to creators. We could talk about ones that I will recommend, or that I do recommend later. But again, I'm just showing you what we have set up. Inside our dashboard, we are going to go to the exact funnel sequence that converted into sales for me. So a few of them do, but the one we're talking about today is the 100K Masterclass, the evergreen funnel that we have running. These are all of the different funnels and sequences we have running because obviously I have a lot of freebies, digital products, courses. So just ignore everything. We're just gonna focus on this one for right now. This funnel is a 5 email over 5 day funnel. As you could see, these are the 5 emails that we send out and they are all spaced out between a day within each other. After somebody watches and goes through my freebie, they watch the masterclass, 3 hours later, they are emailed a fast action bonus. So this first email is just to remind them of the offer that was offered to them during the masterclass. If you join the BSP model within the first 48 hours, you can save $200. You get $200 off. So this is just a reminder of the offer. The next email that we have set up, this is more of a testimonial email. So I want to show them what is possible through the BSP model. Not only that, but it is through the eyes of a student who has gone through the steps and seen amazing results because of the strategies that I teach in BSP. So that's the intention of the second email. It's the testimonial, it's the proof. This could be you. The third email is more of the inspirational email. This is to share a little bit about my story, my background, and how I was able to see results to inspire them that they too can see those results. The purpose of this email is kind of to show them like, hey, I've literally been in your shoes. 5 years ago, I was where you are. I was dreaming about these things and now I'm here and I want to teach you how you could get to where I am quicker. So that's the purpose of this email. And then emails number 4 and 5. 4 and 5 address pain points that my target audience is facing that could be resolved through my offer, the BSP model. So one of the pain points that I know creators struggle with is not only growing, but how do you grow without getting burnt out? How do you grow without having to post every single day? So I talk a little bit about that. I ensure them or I encourage them like, hey, you don't have to post every day and you could still see great results. Again, I sprinkle in some testimonials from students and I'm kind of trying to combat that belief of like, oh, I have to post every day in order to see success. It's like, no, you don't have to post every day. This is what you could do instead. Same thing with email 5. It's one of those pain points or one of those goals that creators have, how to make money as a content creator. That is what BSP teaches as well. It teaches you how to make money and profit through your passions of content creation. So again, we're addressing this need, this want, this pain point that my course bundle solves for them. Now the cool part, this is probably the best part of the whole thing, is you do not have to have thousands or hundreds of thousands of followers in order to see these results. Let me show you why. This specific funnel, while my email list we saw earlier has almost 70,000 people on it, this funnel did not have those people go through it. This funnel, if we check the reports, it's only had 227 people go through it. That's it, just 227, which could be a big number for some, but also if you were thinking,
Well, of course you got that many sales. You have 500,000 YouTube subscribers and you did like...
Yes, while people trust me through the platforms that I have built, only 220 something people have gone through that funnel. And that was the funnel that converted to the $5,000 in 8 days. That is the funnel that I have set up. Those are the emails that I have set up. The numbers that I was talking about, the $5,000 in 8 days, those were the people who purchased through the emails. Through the emails. They purchased through the emails. It wasn't they purchased during the webinar and I'm counting them as like part of the funnel they purchased. No. It was because they received the emails. They purchased through the email they received. I don't know how many times I gotta say that, but it was the emails that did it. Now, how can you set up an email funnel that converts? Specifically, let me just say, how can you do it in a easy, low tech, beginner-friendly way, because obviously what I have set up, I have a gal that sets up funnels for me. All of those funnels that you saw looks a little overwhelming. So how can you do it in a way that is not overwhelming? Low intimidation, low barrier to entry, super low tech, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What you're going to do is follow 4 simple steps. Choose your product funnel. This is where you're going to decide what freebie or low ticket offer are you going to create that will naturally lead somebody to your high ticket item. What is that high ticket item going to be? After those are created, you're going to set up those offers to sell. You're going to choose a platform where you'll upload the documents. You're gonna choose your preferred platform for that. My preferred one that I tell every single creator to use is Stan, because with Stan, you'll be able to easily set up your products to sell, and you'll be able to set up the email marketing system with one tool. Before Stan, what a lot of creators had to do, they'd have to like pay for Shopify. And then they're like, okay, I sell my digital products through Shopify, but Shopify doesn't have email marketing. So then they'd have to like find an email marketing tool, like, okay, well, maybe I'll link this to Flowdesk, which is another $30 a month, or however much Flowdesk is, $29 a month. Flowdesk is reasonably priced. So they pay for Shopify, and then they pay for Flowdesk, which is the email marketing, but then they need the website, and you have to pay for the website to host these on. So like before, there was like lots of different tools that you have to pay for to make sure you could deliver a product, email address, all the things. Stan, all in one place, okay? So you're just gonna upload the products to Stan. Third step is to create your automations. Just like the email funnel you saw that I set up, you're going to do that same thing. Again, that is something you could set up in your Stan account. And then step 4 is to start sending traffic to your funnel by simply posting and creating content on your social media, talking about your freebie, getting people into that low ticket offer. I know I quickly breezed through those. That's a general overview. Kind of sounds like a lot, but it doesn't have to be complicated if you don't want it to be. All of those steps you can get done in less than a weekend. So how do you do it? Y'all know there is no gatekeeping here. So step-by-step tutorial, literal in-depth breakdown of all 4 of those steps with email templates included for you to use is to watch part 2 of this video. It's already uploaded. Watch it. It's right here. Jump to timestamp 4:30 because you already know the basics of what an email list is. So jump to 4:30, and that is your golden ticket for making money in your sleep. It's going to show you all 4 of those steps broken down, screen recording tutorials, so that by the end of this weekend, you can have your email funnel set up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye.